You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. Right now, Bitcoin have done the incredible and market is at 46.9k level at this area. And then if you look at the 4-hour chart, you see this very big pump right here on this very market. And if you look at ETH as well, we see this massive pump to the upside. This was as a result of the Bitcoin dominance pump from this very area. This was exact level I was looking out for, and I said if you see the market come to this area, you should expect a pump to the upside, and the exact same thing happened right there, which led to this pump on ETH right there and also on BTC. So what are we looking out for right now in the market in the next coming days? Is the bull run here? All of this and more in today's video. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. Right here on the 1 week chart, we see the market already at this very negative side of the MACD, and from historic previous price action, we see the market move from this area with this very momentum on the MACD right there. You see the market move right up, then we have retracement, market come back down. Then from here as well, we see the histogram die off and then start formation on the positive side of the MACD. Market begin to move to the upside, creating a new high. And then right there as well, market come back right down. Formation on the negative side of the MACD, we see the MACD histogram die off a momentum around this area, and the market is moving right up again. So we have seen a crossover between the MACD line, which is the blue line, and the signal line, although it's not that significant. But right now, what I want to show you guys is, you see, anytime the market come to this area, we see a die off, market move up, and then right now market is here again, a die off on the histogram, and market have high tendency of going to the upside. Not only that, we see the market come right down, could not create a low lower than the previous low at this very area. So this is an indication that the bulls are already here. This is a beginning of the bull market. BTC USDT 1-day chart have been talking about this very strong support and this resistance level, and I've been saying you should be watching this very level because a breakout on this will send the market to the upside. And I was looking at the market coming back to the downside, that is in form of a retracement before we see the market move up again. But the opposite was what we see here as a result of this Bitcoin dominance move straight to the upside. Right now, the bulls are very much in the market for the fact that we could see a breakout on this resistance level. This is very significant for us as traders. Market can come back right down to retest on this very resistance before the market move to the upside. I am still looking for that retracement to come into the market. Right now, I'm expecting the retracement to come back down. Retesting this level will be a very good thing for the market because this will give enough strength when the market is going to move up again to the upside. So I'm looking at the market coming back down to retest this level where the market break out on this resistance before we see the market move up again. So this is a beginning of the bull market. BTC USDT 4-hour chart at this area, we see this massive move to the upside. The same thing I'm expecting the market to come back right down in form of a retracement before we will see the market continuation. We've been seeing the market moving from this very area right here where we see the fair swing in this market at this very point where markets begin to move up again. So I'm also looking at this very trend line. This is a very important trend line right now that you need to watch as markets come back down in form of a retracement before we see the market begin to move to the upside. And then on ETH, one thing very important is I've also been talking about this very support market move to the upside, break this resistance, and also break this resistance I've been talking about in my videos. This is also an indication that the bulls have enough strength to move the market to the upside. Reason why we break the first key structure at this very area. This structure have been broken, this structure have been broken as well, and right now market is above these two structures. When we are looking out for market reversal in the markets, we always want to check whether the market have broken key structures, and that is what we are seeing right here. First structure broken and the second structure already broken right here. What that means is the bulls are very much strong in the market right now, and they are ready to move the market to the upside. And one thing you have to understand is that market cannot just move parabolically to the upside, maybe to this very level or to this area. We must definitely have the market retrace back to the downside before it will go up. So this is the right time to start looking for altcoin to accumulate. I will also talk about those those altcoins that you have to buy into your portfolio. ETH/USD 4-hour chart here, the same thing right there. After the breakout of this wedge, we see this pump, and that was as a result of this very move on the Bitcoin dominance, and the market right now is at this very level. Very simple. What I am looking out for right now is still a retracement in the market. It's very important we have a retracement in the market before the next impulsive move. And right now, we must also take note of this very line right here. That is this very area right here where the market breakout of this very resistance. So this could possibly act as a very good support at this very area before we see the market move out from this area to the upside as a result of this wedge formation. On the Bitcoin dominance, after this very spike in the market, we see a rejection from this very area of resistance and market come back right down. So right now, what I am looking out for is the market to continue to the downside to this very level. This very candle does not close above this area right here on this resistance, so that also means that market have high tendency of coming back right now. And if markets do come back to the downside, we will see BTC retrace well to the downside, especially on the 4-hour chart here. It will be very significant. And also we will see ETH retrace as well to the downside, and it will be very significant on the 4-hour chart right here if we see the market come back right down to this very level of support. So I am looking out for the market break this very level of resistance, and when we see that pump to the upside, then that will properly confirm that the bulls are already in the market and the bull run is already here, especially on the 1-week chart at the moment. So this is what I am looking out for right now on BTC USDT and ETH USDT. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you want to learn how to do simple technical analysis and no market prediction, check the contact in the description of this video and enroll for the Remit Trade intensive cryptocurrency course and mentorship program and learn how to trade and earn. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.